In this quick video, I'll answer a very common question. Can you download Fortnite without the Epic Games Launcher? If you're looking for a simple way to install Fortnite on PC without Epic, the short answer is no, it's not possible. On Windows and other PC platforms, Fortnite requires the Epic Games Launcher to download and install properly. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more fast tech answers and gaming tutorials. Fortnite is distributed by Epic Games, and the launcher is what handles the installation, updates, and security checks for the game. That means even if you find another download link, you still won't be able to fully install and play Fortnite on PC without going through Epic's official launcher. So if you want the official and safe method, your best option is to download the Epic Games Launcher first, sign in with your Epic account, and then install Fortnite from there. This ensures you get the latest version, the correct files, and future game updates without issues. In summary, if you're on PC, you cannot download Fortnite without the Epic Games Launcher. It's required for the full installation process, and it's the only official way Epic provides Fortnite on computer. If this cleared things up, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.